Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is February the 5th. We are out here on our first job. We have two projects today, just like we did yesterday and the day before. And also we have two projects tomorrow. So anyway, focus on today. This is Mr. and Mrs. Griffin. I came out a few weeks ago. She said, Courtney, I just want to get my kitchen looking better. There's a pine floor. We're going to do a little color correction, and then also UV cure with the rag coat satin finish. And then after this, we have to go do a basement cleaning, also in Decula. And then I have one of my repeat clients who's moving out of a house in Statham, which is far from where we are now. He wants a quote on doing tile floors and also hardwood floors. Consultation that I did yesterday, he accepted the estimate this morning, so I got him on the schedule for next Tuesday. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we are in the Decula, Georgia area. Show you what we're going to be doing. This is a very small project, and what we're going to be doing is some pine floors, screen recoat, UV cure, light color correction. These are the floors that we're going to be doing. That's Miss Griffin. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is these floors. Now you have to remember, pine floors is a very soft floor, but they don't have big dogs, so you don't see a lot of indentions. But what we do notice is wear, just a lot of wear on the floors. That's just over the years. So what we're going to do is screen these down. Then we're going to clean them, vacuum them, and right here is we're going to do some color correction right there. And really, that's it, guys. So all we're doing is just this kitchen, breakfast, sitting and breakfast room area. All right, so I'm going ahead and start screening. And then after this, I called my Statham appointment to see if we can get to him earlier just to do the consultation. If not, we'll just shoot straight back to the other job and clean those basement floors, and then come back here and UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Another day, another restoration. Let me walk you through it.
First stop of the day, pine floors on the line. Client found me online, watched the grind over time. Finished looking tired, color wasn't right. Didn't need a cent, just experience insight. Screened it down smooth, cleaned it up proper. Color correction brought the warmth back stronger. Respect the wood, let the grain still talk. Then we laid that coat, steady hand, clean walk. Same day, real work, no shortcuts. Take and restore, protect, that's how trust get built. Different floors, different needs, same dedication. Two jobs, one mission, same level of skill. Next stop, basement, concrete underfoot. Years of bad luck, needed more than the broom. Deep clean pass, brought the surface back. No gimmicks, just knowing how to handle that slab. Different material, different approach, but the goal stay the same. Bring life back close when you understand surfaces. You don't guess, you adjust, you adapt, you deliver your best. Hey. Came back to the pine when the time was right. UV cure, locked it in, finished, cured on site. No downtime, no waiting around. Clients smiling when they hear that final sound. Same day, real work, no shortcuts. Take and restore, protect, that's how trust get built. Different floors, different needs, same dedication. Two jobs, one mission, same level of skill. Fine. Concrete, different surfaces, same standard. Client found me online, results kept me there.
Alright, guys,
That's how you build it.
Back from that that concrete floor. Also went out and did a consultation. He got my last appointment for Monday, but he was actually a repeat client. He used us about 5 years ago. They're moving out of the house. It's not a big job. We're going to be doing countertops, granite countertops, some engineered wood floors. Just going to screen them, put a coat on. We got some towels that we're going to be doing, and also some carpet. Going to extract some carpets. So anyway, guys, we just got back to this floor, and this looks amazing. Oh, this came out really good. I actually did some more color correction right here, and that came out really good. Alrighty. Let me call my clients. Hey guys, y'all want to take a look? I know y'all probably already peeked in. You go. We about to get rid of UV cure it, but you want to come take a look at it?
Oh, we've already been.
Okay. Oh, you did? Okay. Yeah. How you like it?
Looks great.
Thank you.
And that looks.
That looks better, doesn't it? Yes.
Yeah, that works.
Yep. I had to leave that color on there a little heavier because again, these floors are not stained, but it's kind of make it blend in.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks really good.
It's fine.
Awesome.
I'd rather it be darker than
There you go,
lighter.
the lighter.
Right.
All right, so what we're going to do is get the UV machine going. This will probably gonna take about 10 minutes.
That's all.
Yeah. I'm going to show your husband because he was asking about it.
Yeah, he was curious.
Yep. So yeah, this came out really good. Thank you
Yeah,
guys.
I think it looks real nice.
This thing don't stay cold all day.
Hey, we're inside. Well, I want to take my shoes off when I'm putting down the coating, and then also when I'm UV because I don't want to track nothing in. Yep. The water base look good, don't it?
Yeah.
Because I remember when I first came, you wanted the oil base, and I told you I don't.
The oil base, I was just afraid it wouldn't stick.
Oh no! As long as you get a good abrasion, it's gonna stick. Yep. So how this works? That green light is on, and when I walk this, you see those numbers? So they show me how fast I'm walking. So if I speed it up, see it's like 70. So I stay in between the 30s and the 40s, and that makes sure that that finish gets instantly cured. So the way you feel it now, when I cure this floor, when you walk on it, you're gonna feel a totally different floor.
How long will it be before we can put the furniture
As soon as I'm done with this. Yeah, that's the benefit of the UV cure. Once this floor is cured, everything can go right back on the floor.
That's crazy.
Yep. But you know what? Just like when you go get your nails done, the same custom. Oh yeah.
I do in the dark.
Yeah. But you know what I'm talking about though. When they
Yeah, when you
put
sit
the
there
center
under
lights,
the
yeah,
light, yeah.
same thing.
Now I have dinged those.
Yeah.
I used to do them years ago.
Yep.
I have dinged them before. But probably, I think we were supposed to leave them under there for like 5 minutes.
Yep.
I get in a hurry sometimes, but probably those lights were not as bright as these.
Yeah. Now walk over there where I just UV cure it and feel the difference.
It's slicker.
There you go. It's slicker there, yes. Because it's cured now.
Nice.
See there? Yeah, see there? See there?
All right. Holler when you're ready.
Alrighty. Alright guys, that's going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you again for watching. We'll be out tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a quartz countertop in Dallas, Georgia. And we have a small screen of recoat in Lawrenceville. And we also have a consultation tomorrow as well. And then Saturday, we have a screen and recoat with UV cure and 3 consultations. And we are totally booked out next week. All right, guys. See you in the next one.